Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zero smartwatch with your mobile device. First, make sure your smartwatch has at least 50% battery life to prevent interruptions. Next, download the correct companion app from your phone's app store. It's usually called Zero Connect or similar. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your phone and ensure it is visible to other devices. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Once the app is open, it will guide you through adding a new device. Look for your Zero smartwatch in the list of available Bluetooth devices. It might appear as Zero Watch or a specific model number. You'll then receive a pairing request on both your phone and your watch. Simply tap Confirm or Pair on both screens to establish the connection. This usually takes only a few seconds. The companion app is your central hub for managing your Zero smartwatch. Within the app, you can personalize your watch face, adjust which notifications appear, and set up health tracking goals. It also allows you to sync all your activity data, like daily steps and heart rate, directly to your phone. Remember to regularly check the app for firmware updates to keep your watch running optimally and access new features. Encountering issues? Don't worry, they're often simple to fix. First, try restarting both your Zero smartwatch and your mobile phone. This resolves many minor glitches. Second, double-check that the companion app has all required permissions, like location and notifications, enabled on your phone. Finally, if you've paired before, remove any old Zero watch entries from your phone's Bluetooth settings before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.